Hey, what's up guys, it's your man JB, and in this video we're taking a look at this face mask by Basecamp. Welcome to JB TV. Right then, well, I'm always in need of a new dust mask because they don't last forever, so I've got my hands on this new dust mask, and as I've said already, it's by Basecamp. Now the one I had before this is quite similar, but I did like the look of this one. It was a little bit more expensive, the design looks better, and the strap looks better, it fits on your head better and everything, and it's logoed quite nicely, so just makes it feel a little bit more expensive and just a little bit better quality. So let's open it up and have a look. Now this is a twin pack, so there are two in here, so that's really handy because that's going to last a little bit longer, obviously, than just having one. So here they are. Here are the dust masks themselves, and as you can see, they've got two straps on the back as opposed to just one like my previous dust mask, which I did do a review on, and you can check that out in my product reviews if you want to. But as I was saying, it's quite similar. It's the same material, it's got this same metal but plastic coated nose clip, which is always good for creating a tight seal. It has these one-way valves which you can take off and change once again like before, and that's about it really. It's got this kind of shiny material on the ends here, which I think makes it look quite nice actually. And then you've got lots of branding on the side here, so you've got the Basecamp logo and also this kind of enhanced breathability mesh construction. And also in the pack then you get these filters. These are carbon filters, active carbon filters. Got a small leaflet here, and that's just a few frequently asked questions in there. QR codes on the back if you want to check those out. And also we get two sets of these filters, and to take these out we just turn those and then they pull out like so. As you breathe out, it's got this kind of flange on here which allows you to breathe out, but then it doesn't allow you to breathe in any of the air from outside, I guess. So I thought these were replaceable filters, but these are exhalation valve caps. Prevents the harmful exhalation from leaving the mask. Well, surely you want to be able to breathe out. Harmful exhalation, that's got to be just, what's that? That's going to be carbon dioxide. So I guess these just replace these ones. So these ones are vented, allowing exhalation, and these ones aren't vented. So that ensures that you continue breathing in your own breath. Nice. I'm not sure I'm going to use these because if I'm using this mask, I want my breath to come out of the mask. I don't want it to stay in the mask because that can make you feel quite woozy and a bit sick. Now I would imagine you can give these a little bit of a clean as long as you're quite careful with it. It is quite a thin bit of rubber on here, but I think be careful and you'll be alright. So look, we'll just put that back through there like so, and we'll turn that back round. There we go. Now I do like the fact that you get this type strap, so you can go to the upper and lower part of the back of your head, and it is also slightly rubberized, so that's really good. So that just allows it to grip much better on your head. Not sure whether it makes a difference if you haven't got much hair. Now I don't think you necessarily need to undo these every time, particularly not the top one, but maybe the bottom one, because otherwise you've got to put it over your head like so. So we can just pull that off there, and you can adjust these. So you've got that little buckle on there, standard adjustment to make it a bit smaller or bigger. So we'll put that over. See, that's quite easy to do it that way, and then pull it down. We'll keep that strap up high and then this strap low, and then we can just put that back into there. It's quite a tight fit in there, but that's good because you don't want this coming off. We can adjust this nose clip because it is bendy, it's metal, bendy metal. It does feel comfortable, and if you can see, you should just about be able to see these filters moving. So, although I've got my contact lenses in, which I don't always wear when I'm decorating or doing the prep work, because I don't like getting the dust in my eyes and potentially behind my contact lenses, I do usually wear my glasses. So I'm going to go and get a pair of glasses because we're going to do the steam test. So I've got my glasses. Let's make sure this is tight, just a tiny bit there. There we go. So you can see how I've got the straps behind. I've got that one quite high, otherwise it tends to drop down a bit, and I don't really want it sitting on top of my ears. So that's good position there. That one can just sit on the neck. That feels comfortable. Got the nose clip in good position. Let's put the glasses on, and I really can't see now with lenses and glasses. There's a little bit of steaming up, going on, and even though that's a really good fit there, it really is inevitable with a lot of masks that they may steam up just a little bit, but actually it's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. It could be a lot worse. And actually, if you sit your glasses just a little bit further down than usual, then that makes a big difference. So actually now they're not steaming up, which is quite good. Can't see a thing, but I'm going to take this off now. It's getting hot. So there it is. There we go. Give you a nice close-up look of it. It's definitely comfortable, and it does create a good seal, and you can feel it suck against your face when you breathe in. So I think they're the most important things. I think if you're going shopping though, I think this is a bit of an extreme look. So this really is a little bit more for work, so construction and places where it's going to be dusty. So yeah, definitely taking this to work. Fantastic. I'm done here then, guys, but if you want to get your hands on one of these or find out a little bit more information, I will leave a couple of links in the description box down below. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely awesome. If you do get yourself one of these, why not leave me a message in the comments box down below. I'd love to hear what you think of it, and maybe what you think of these caps to prevent harmful exhalation. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, please. That would be absolutely fantastic. Right then, gang, I'm done. I'll see you on the next video.